So here we go. Little parts rundown on how I stuck this little rice burner motor in this German engineering pleasure driving machine. Here we have the God's motor from the collection of Honda, the K24 Z. I think it's a Z3 or something, or Z2 or Z4 or so. Still got the 4-port exhaust, not the single port, so that's fine. And it's sitting in a 1999 E36 318 IS. Come with 4-cylinder, put a 4-cylinder back in it, so the Dutch Roads Authority people will be happy, hopefully. Hope it pass. That's coming soon. We have a custom made out of the scrap bin engine mounts. Used to be pretty, but they are unpainted, so they're now rusty as all shit. And you have rubber mounts from BMW, the factory engine mounts. Also, on the other side, I made my own pulley kit with spacers on the alternator. No power steering because I'm doing a Astra power steering pump. I have a custom made exhaust manifold I made myself. I'll throw some pictures in right now. We have the HX40 with big ass rear housing, so it's laggy as all. And 50mm turbo spark wastegate. What really makes this thing easy peasy is the PMC adapter kit to the ZF. The adapter, the bolts, everything you need, the picker stuff, the flywheel, everything you need, slamming back in, and you have a rear-wheel drive K sitting in your BMW. Standard stuff here. 80mm throttle body, intake manifold made, nuke fuel rail, big dash 8 lines. We have 1200cc injectors, Bosch injectors, in flow matched. We have a custom alloy welding intake that I'll put up on. AN 8 lines, front to back, turbo star fuel pressure reg. I made the engine lube myself, nice and easy. Fueling consists of a 2-litre surge tank into a Speeding ZU E35 Bosch 044 high flow pump jingba-dingy with dash 8 lines from here to the fuel rail with a fuel filter in between, tucked nicely, so not too bad, hey? Not too bad. So that's it.